If we were sitting together over coffee, you with your caramel macchiato and me with my hot tea, and you told me you were thinking about homeschooling and that the sheer number of curriculum choices felt like standing in front of a wall of cereal at Walmart, 100 boxes, all promising the same thing, I'd probably smile and take a deep breath with you, and I'd say, first, start with Christian-like education. When you're starting something as weighty and as beautiful as homeschooling, you don't need flashy. You don't need the fanciest packaging. You don't need the trendy influencer recommendation. You need steady. You need something that won't wobble the moment life gets messy, because it will get messy. CLE is that steady ground. It's like beginning your homeschool year on solid rock instead of shifting sand. It's not perfect, no curriculum is, but it's trustworthy. If I handed it to a brand new homeschool mom, I could rest knowing that she'd be guided every step of the way. CLE is one of the most hand-holding curriculums out there, but in the best of ways. The lesson plans are clear, the pacing is clear, the expectations are clear. You're not waking up every morning having to reinvent the wheel. CLE hands you the wheel already shaped, balanced, and ready to roll. One of the things that matters to me most is that CLE has stood the test of time. It's been around for decades, faithfully used by generations of families. In a world where homeschool trends come and go, that kind of longevity speaks. It tells you this isn't an experiment, it's a proven path. And for a brand new homeschool mom who doesn't yet trust her instincts, that's a gift. CLE is thorough, not bloated, not busy work heavy, just thorough in that quiet Mennonite type of way. It's simple but deep. Your child will learn phonics, grammar, and math facts, all the bones of a strong education. When you're starting out, you don't want to wonder, is this enough? Am I missing something? CLE removes that fear. It fills in the gaps automatically, because the curriculum is built with mastery in mind. It's like having a well-built bridge. You can walk across it without fearing that you're going to fall through the planks. And if you have more than one child, CLE becomes this steady rhythm in your home. The structure is predictable, the lessons are independent, the expectations repeat day to day. That means while one child works through their lesson, you can help another, or you can stir the pot on the stove, or you can settle a toddler dispute, or you can just take a deep breath. It works beautifully with multiple kids. And for large families, CLE is the closest thing to having a second pair of hands that I've used. I would also tell you that CLE is affordable, not cheap in quality, but merciful on your wallet. When you're trying homeschooling for the first time, you don't want to hand hundreds and hundreds of dollars only to realize 6 weeks in, tell me how I know, that you hate what you bought. CLE lets you taste and see without feeling like you emptied your savings account. It gives you the freedom to learn how you homeschool without breaking the bank. And that is a blessing. And here's what I'd tell you honestly. I tell you, you may not use CLE forever, or you may use different parts at different times. You may start with it and eventually move on to another curriculum as you grow, as you learn your kids, and as you settle into your rhythm. But that's the whole point. CLE is a trustworthy starting place, like training wheels when you're learning to ride a bike. It keeps you upright long enough to find your balance. And who knows? You may fall in love with it. I've used CLE on and off for years, 12 years to be exact. And I still come back to it because it's just that dependable. At the end of the day, CLE forms confidence in new moms. It gives you structure. It gives your kids clear expectations. It gives your home a rhythm that you can lean on. And when your confidence grows, everything else feels lighter. The housework, the teaching, the decision making. It's like someone turning on a lamp in a dark room. You suddenly see the path forward. So if you're sitting across from me with that overwhelmed look in your eyes, I'd say to you, start with CLE. Let it steady your hands. Let it buy you time. Time to learn your children. Time to learn yourself. Time to breathe without losing that value and structure within your education. And I'd remind you gently that the Lord is kind. Homeschooling is sanctifying, and you don't have to do any of this in your own strength. CLE won't fix everything, but it will give you a clear, confident first step, and you will not need to worry about whether or not your children are being properly educated. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more about Christian Light education, check out this playlist right here.